Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us understand silicon controlled rectifier phase control. So we'll understand the phase control of a signal using an SCR. Here we'll understand the SCR that is used as half wave rectifier. This figure shows an SCR used as an half wave rectifier. During positive half of input cycle, the SCR will be forward biased and hence the SCR will be conducting, which means SCR will be on. During negative half of input cycle, the SCR will be reverse biased, hence the SCR will not be conducting, hence the SCR will be off. So during positive half of input cycle, this SCR will be forward biased and it will be conducting and SCR will be on. And during negative half of input cycle, the SCR will be reverse biased and it will not be conducting. Here VF is the voltage across the gate terminal of an SCR. So VF is the voltage across the gate terminal of an SCR. Even though the SCR is forward bias, the SCR starts conducting when the input voltage reaches VF in positive cycle. So you need to remember that even though the SCR is forward biased, this SCR will start conducting only when the input voltage reaches VF, which is the voltage across the gate in positive cycle. So this is the output waveform of SCR used as half wave rectifier. In this waveform, as you can see, there is a voltage which is equal to VF, which is gate voltage. Even though the SCR is on, the SCR will not conduct until the input voltage reaches the gate voltage. Once the input voltage is equal to or greater than the gate voltage, the SCR will start conducting and the positive half of cycle will be obtained at the output. For the negative half of the input cycle, the SCR will be reverse bias and hence it will not be conducting. So we can say the SCR will be off for negative half of input cycle, hence will not get any output. Again, SCR will be on for next positive cycle and it will conduct only when the input voltage reaches VF, which is voltage across the gate. As you can observe in this waveform, the SCR will be on for next positive cycle of the input, but it will not conduct until the input voltage reaches the gate voltage. So once the input voltage reaches the gate voltage, the remaining half of the positive cycle will appear at the output. So here the voltage across the gate is very important because the SCR will conduct only when the input voltage is equal to or greater than the gate voltage. So here in the waveform you can observe the SCR will conduct only at an angle phi. This angle is known as firing angle, and the region where we are getting the output waveform, it is represented by theta, which is conducting angle. So the angle at which SCR start conducting is represented by phi, which is known as firing angle. The angle for which SCR is on is known as theta, which is conducting angle. Here theta can be given as 180 degree minus phi. So if you observe the waveform, here we are controlling the phase of the signal. That's why we can say the SCR is acting as a phase control. This is about SCR phase control, which we understood by taking half wave rectifier. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.